How to import DS BIOS files inside your Delta account or Delta on your PC. So let's start this video. You just have to follow the steps I'm showing you on the screen live with you. So we cannot provide instructions on acquiring DS BIOS files as it can't be legal gray area. However, we can guide you throughout the process of locating the BIOS import option within the Delta emulator application. So let's start this video. First step is launch the Delta emulator app on your device. Open the setting menu. This might be represented by a gear icon and can be located in different places. So the third step is simply navigate to the BIOS setting section. It could be labeled Nitro DS. And fourth is look for the option to import BIOS files. This might be named BIOS7.bin or etc. Please note downloading BIOS from untrusted sources can be risky and using unauthorized BIOS files might be violate copyright laws. So if you're unsure about the legality of acquiring BIOS in your region, so alternative consider check if Delta offers alternative method for DS emulation or explore the DS emulator app that might have different requirements. I hope the information will help you and it will solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end and we will meet again with the next one.